Have you ever received a small amount of interest from your bank or an investment account and wondered if you even needed to bother reporting it on your taxes? The direct answer is that generally, there is no minimum interest amount that exempts it from being reported on your taxes. All interest income you earn, even a tiny amount, is considered taxable income by the Internal Revenue Service. The reason for this is quite simple. The United States tax system operates on a principle of full disclosure for income. While banks and other financial institutions typically issue a Form 1099 INT, or interest income, to you and the IRS when you earn $10 or more in interest from a single account, this threshold is primarily an administrative convenience for them. This $10 reporting threshold for financial institutions is what is known as the de minimis rule. It helps reduce paperwork for banks and credit unions for very small amounts. However, your personal tax obligation to report that income remains the same whether you receive a Form 1099 INT or not. Common sources of interest income include savings accounts, certificates of deposit, and certain types of bonds. So, if you earn, say, $5 in interest and do not receive a Form 1099 INT, you are still expected to include that $5 when you file your tax return. You would typically report all your interest income on Schedule B, interest and ordinary dividends, which is part of your Form 1040. This principle is crucial because even small amounts of unreported income, especially interest, can add up over time or across multiple accounts. The IRS has access to various data points, and discrepancies can trigger notices or questions. By accurately reporting all your interest income, you maintain good standing with the tax authorities and ensure your tax return is complete and correct. Understanding that all interest income, no matter how small, is reportable helps you stay compliant and avoid potential issues down the line. It is a fundamental aspect of tax accuracy and effective financial planning, giving you peace of mind that your tax obligations are fully met.